I feel that RTI is run and managed by a group of people that know what they're talking about and really care about the restoration industry and what we're trying to do in it, and so that's very helpful to us as business owners.
It's definitely the best place to go locally for us to get training for WRT, ASD for our staff. They always come here, they see a really great operation, a really great culture, and they come back full of ideas and excitement about how to improve our own business.
You guys are like family, and that reflects on when you guys train. You can see how confident and how family-oriented you guys are, and that's what I'm looking for my business.
The food is awesome. That's like a take-home right there. The food is really good every time I come here.
The food is, I'm gonna need my boss to step his game up because this food is really good.
They're a 10 out of 10, done with care, it's done with love, there's passion, there's, they take their time and they put their care into, feeding everyone, and nothing brings people together like food.
The experience, the camaraderie, the people that you meet, the friendships that you make, the aspect of business to business, being together with other people that you have things in common with, learning from them, the circle of leaving here and having these people as references, not looking at them as competitors, that's priceless. You can't put a dollar figure on that, and I would say it's a drop in the bucket to what you're going to take away from here.